In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Google Nest not responding. Let's get started. Start by unplugging the power cable from your Google Nest speaker or display. Leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Give the device a couple of minutes to boot up and reconnect to your network, then try using it again. Likewise, restart your network. If the error continues, restart your modem and Wi-Fi router. Unplug both devices, wait about 30 seconds, then power them back on and wait for the internet connection to stabilize. Make sure your phone and Google Nest are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and temporarily disable any VPN on your phone while troubleshooting. Open the Google Home app and tap your profile icon. Make sure you are signed in with the same Google account that was used to set up your Nest device. You can also check your assistant settings and retrain voice match if voice commands are not being recognized correctly. If your Google Nest remains frozen or completely unresponsive, a factory reset can be used as a last resort. Keep in mind that this will erase the device's current settings and you'll need to set it up again. After the reset, open Google Home app, tap the plus button, choose the option to add a device and follow the setup instructions to connect your Nest Wi-Fi and your Google account. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.